Creating detail and section views in SOLIDWORKS is a very used feature. However, sometimes the number of views on a drawing can be very overwhelming, or it can be hard to find out on what sheet a particular view is placed. Thankfully, SOLIDWORKS introduced location labels in 2016. After creating your section, break or auxiliary view, simply left-click on it and go to Insert Annotations Location Label. This gives you the location of the parent view. By default, the top number is the sheet and the bottom is the zone numbers. This can of course be modified if you want to. It also works the other way around. Left-click on your detail circle and insert the location label. This will give you the location of the detail view. If you move either view, the location label updates.